Hey guys, it's me, Isaiah, and we're here with a virtual frog dissection. So, this is just cutting the frog to get it open. So, yeah, that's the frog when it's pretty much almost open, and that's open. So, right here, we just took out the liver, and so the liver makes stuff that helps digest food along with other things. That's the heart that we're taking out. So the heart pumps blood and cycles it for the frog. So yeah, and the frog also has 3 chambers, unlike 4, which we have. So that is the gallbladder that we just took out. And the gallbladder stores material that breaks up fat. And that stuff is called bile. That is the stomach that we just took out. The stomach pretty much starts the digestion, and breaks down the food. This is the small intestine, which finishes the digestion process, and it takes the energy from the food and passes it to the blood. That is the fat body, which stores fat for the frog. Pretty simple. That is the spleen that we took out, and it recycles old red blood cells that the frog doesn't need anymore. See there? Okay. So this is the large intestine. It makes the feces that the frog will get rid of. Those are the lungs. The lungs, they get the oxygen and then pass it to the blood, and then they also gets rid of carbon dioxide. Those are the kidneys. What the kidneys do is they filter the blood. So yeah, thanks guys.